Hi, in this video I'm going to solve GATE 2024 physics questions. It is like memory based questions. So first question was related to operational amplifier. There is an operational amplifier. It will have two inputs, inverting input and non-inverting input. Non-inverting was grounded. In the inverting input there were three inputs. Uh, one is 1 volt, 1 kilo ohm. Another one was 3 volt, 3 kilo ohm, and the third one is 5 volt and 5 kilo ohm, and the feedback resistance was 4 kilo ohm, and we need to find this output V0. So here the potential of inverting and non-inverting input are same. Since non-inverting is 0, it is grounded, so the inverting should also be 0 volt, and using this we can find the current flowing here. So it's a simple Ohm's law, V equal to IR, so I equal to V by R. Using that we'll get current here is 1 milliampere. Similarly here also 1 milliampere, and here again 1 milliampere, because the potential difference for the first resistor is 1 volt. 1 minus 0, 1 volt. Here 3 minus 0, 3 volt. Similarly here 5 minus 0, 5 volt. And if we divide the resistance we'll get 1 milliampere on each input. Now all these 1 milliampere are going to pass through this 4 kilo ohm. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. Here 3 milliampere will pass. So what will be the potential difference across this 4 kilo ohm? It will be like 3 milliampere into 4 kilo ohm. We'll get 12 volt, but here it is 0 and the current has to flow in this way. So here it should be negative 12. So this negative sign is more important. So the answer for this question is negative 12 volt. And the second question is, it is related to logic gates. There were two inputs and it was connected to a NAND gate, another input, and this was also connected to NAND gate. Now the output of these two NAND gates are connected to another NAND gate, and they gave some inputs. I think this is the input for the, it's like pulses. For P it was something like this, and for Q it was like this. So this is like voltage versus time. So we have to find the output. There were four options. Using that we have to find which option is correct. So this is easy to do. If this is P, since both the inputs are connected together, the output will be P bar or P dash. Similarly here Q dash. Now uh, this is NAND gate, so its input are P dash, Q dash. So P dash, Q dash, NAND gate. No, so NAND means like AND operation and not. Using De Morgan's theorem, we can rewrite this as, so P double bar R Q double bar. So this is P plus Q. Sorry, P R Q. Okay, we should not use the word plus. So it should be P R Q. So this is like R operation, or the entire circuit is like R gate. So the output should be like any one of the input is high, then the output should be high. So in this case, the output should have all these three like positive one, two from this P, and the third one from the Q. So this is the correct answer for this question. And the next one, it's from quantum mechanics. So here they gave a potential, they defined a potential. So the potential is like it was infinity when x is less than 0, and it was having some v0 from a to b, and it is 0 when x is greater than b. So if you draw, it will look something like this. So like this is x equal to 0 potential, this is v, and here it goes to infinity, and this is the 2 point, like a and b. So after this the potential is 0. So this is the potential, like v0, and they have given a condition. The condition is total energy is less than this potential v0, something like that, and some options were given for the wave function. So here the thing which we have to notice, um, here, like where the potential is 0, I mean after this b, uh, the wave function should be oscillatory. So that is one thing which we should know. So here it should be oscillatory, and in this case the energy is less than potential, so it's like a bound case. So in this region the wave function will decay exponentially, something like this. Okay, and yeah, so here it's almost everything was kind of same, only the variation was found in this part and here. But one thing to note is, since here it goes to infinity, it will be like 0 at x equal to 0, the wave function should be 0. That is one point we have to note. And in this one it should be exponential decay, and here it is like oscillator. So I think there was an option something like this. So that's the correct answer. The next question was from